Hi everybody, it's Mele hearty. I'm coming to you live from Idaho, and I am cooking beef stew, actually making breakfast, and it's like, I think it's like 10 o'clock over here. But I'm making beef stew. I already made breakfast, and I figure I cook beef stew because we're gonna go out running around. So hello, if you're coming in live, please drop a 1 below. If you're coming in on a replay, drop I miss you below. And if you're new to my show, never saw me before, make sure to drop new in the comments below so I can say hello to you. And yeah, you can just, it's a crew sesh. I'm here by myself because the guys are running around getting stuff ready for Cabello's bike. And so I was like, I just want to stay home and cook for this morning while they come, before they come back. So yeah, so just cruise, talk story. Thank you for the share, Denise Rucker. Like Denise did, if you hit the share button, make sure to drop share it in the comments below. And so I can give you a first and last name shout out, and actually I do give away prizes too. So that is done like every Sunday. Just watching my stories, you win. And so I'm excited. I was cooking and I was like, I'm by myself over here and in this big house. And so I was like, I'm gonna live so I can have friends that hang out and like cook with me while I'm here. So but I wanted to show you, let me see. So I already made, we just got here last night, and you can ask me anything, ask questions. It's very casual live here today, so just hanging out with me. So thank you, I appreciate you. Hi Kimmy, and just say hello. But I wanted to show you, oh my gosh, so our front yard, okay, watch. Look at those peonies. Oh my gosh. They're so beautiful. And it's so pretty. This is our front yard. But at our Airbnb here in Idaho. And so, yeah, it's very pretty over here. Very cold. It's like 40 something. Actually, it's good. I actually woke up early. We drove 14 hours last night, and oh, you want to see? Hold on. I already made beef stew. Oh, it's cooking there. I made corned beef and onions. This, I cooked rice on the stove. Yes, I know how to cook rice on the stove. I can teach you how to cook rice on the stove. It's very easy. I actually had to grow up cooking like that for a little bit because we didn't own a rice cooker. So I grew up at very humble beginnings, and so I appreciate it though now, because places like here where there's no rice cooker, I know how to cook rice. And so when we go camping, there's no rice cooker, I can cook rice on the camp stove. So who knows how to cook rice on the stove? Drop rice on the comments below. Actually, right now it's 11 over here in Idaho. If you want to come in where you're drop where you're coming in from too, because I know I have friends all around the world for sure. And yeah. Hi to Mary. Hi Dina. Hello. I know it's a weird time zone. It's probably like, what time is it? I think it's 8 o'clock in Hawaii right now. What time is it in Hawaii, Auntie Mary? Michigan! Oh! That's so cool! Ah, so hot. So I'm scrubbing the potatoes right now. Hi, Amy! Welcome! I'm scrubbing the potatoes. Because I don't take the skin off, actually. Yeah, I'm already. Actually, Kitty, I woke up at like, I think 6 o'clock this morning. Got ready, headed to the gym. got some groceries and came back. Oh, and the boys are back. Oh, and they got me coffee. My husband is back. 8:08. Oh, 8 o'clock in the morning. Cool. Well, I'm gonna have to show you how to make, like, I only have limited ingredients, so I just have to make do with what I have for the beef stew. And utensils, like, there's not much. There's utensils, but not like what I'm used to. So no laugh, okay? I'm cooking with one spatula for the beef stew. I wish there was a an instant pot. That would be amazing. Oh, and I cook bacon in the oven, so I don't have to deal with oil. And we are. I'm live. Did you guys get my coffee? Say hi. They can't see you. This is my son, Cabello. Hello. Say hello.
How's it?
He's the reason why we're here. Hey, Brad. Hey, Vanessa. You got my coffee too? Yeah. I'm doing a live. I was like bored and I needed friends. I was kind of freaking out.
What about me?
Yeah, but you were here. Say hello. Oh, Buddha's here. Hi, Buddha. We're out in. Oh, there. There's more than cows. There's lots of trees.
Lots of white people.
What you call? Oh, this is a lot.
I'm back for it over there.
Okay, no, said he matched over here. So, you guys can ask anything in the comments below. We're cooking beef stew. Actually, you guys can eat already. Like the rice there. If I have to cook more eggs, I will. Okay, so I already put the beef in there. I'm browning it. I put salt, pepper. There's no flour here, so I have to like improvise. And then I'm gonna add. I was gonna make beef roast, but there's no kind of wanted stew, so I just had the ingredients. So I'm just gonna put that in here. This is making beef stew with what you get, and cooking with what you have. So this is onion powder, Lipton onion mix. Oh, and I was gonna tell you, you can cook bacon in the oven. Actually, I'd rather cook bacon in the oven because I need to go get coffee because the Keurig here, I don't know, it's kind of broke. It's broken. I don't know if I broke it. I hope I never broke it, but I told our host, your Keurig is broken. Bring my own. I actually pack this like when I travel. These sugar things. I don't like sweet and low, stuff like that. That can fix stuff. I'm not perfect, but I try not to put crappy stuff in my body. mix my coffee with like Filipino. It's like 40 something degrees over here, but it's nice. It's like, it's not cold, but it feels good. Man, I gotta tell you, when we in Utah, we usually go there all the time, but before when I was in high school, but people are so nice, like so very nice. Okay, so let's cut this. Hey Lorraine, hi Twinkle. Okay, you guys can ask me whatever in the comments. I like to cut my potatoes like small, like this. I don't like eating big potatoes. I don't know. My food gotta be like kind of pretty when I eat. In a sense, I don't know if that's the right word. The only thing they don't have here for my beef stew is rosemary. I don't know, they might have in the yard, but I'm not sure. So we drove 14 hours yesterday. We drove from Utah, but actually originated in LA. Because we had to pick up Cabello's bike over there in the cargo place. If you're watching in my stories, you know that we stopped in Utah and we got to ride a dirt bike over there. So exciting. And actually, pretty stoked because at the beginning of this year, good morning, Lynn. The beginning of this year, we put on our dream board that we really want to ride dirt bike all around the world. And but as you know, right, dirt bike all around the world, like you gotta either find a place to rent, and they don't have like the right bikes that I ride or Prino rides, or having like the locals bring you to where they ride. But we locked out. It's so cool. Our friend was like, "Hey, come stay with us in Utah. I'll take you guys ride dirt bike," and just so happened, so Cardinal had a bike, and then I usually ride a TRS. It's like a trider bike, and they had it, and so I got to ride some trails. My whole family did. Go eat, babe. Yum. I know. I'll close this door.
They're all out of the right. But I get it on the bed. Yeah.
I have to close the door. So. So what was I saying? I forget. I forget what I'm saying.
Yeah. So you drive straight up.
Help me out. Hi, Anne. Hi, Anna. So we have like a two-bed upstairs, downstairs house. There's a creek in the back. I could hear it. We came in last night, but I could hear the water like running in the back of the house. There's like a creek back there, which is cool. I woke up to peonies and flowers all over the place. So cool. But yesterday, we wasn't going to drive all the way from Utah up to Idaho in one day because it was like 13 hours or something. When we looked at the map. see what the meat looks like. Okay. And then our halfway point was supposed to be Missoula, I think? But once we got to Missoula, we're like 2 more hours only. We were like, let's go. Let's just go.
I don't know.
Nice?
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Okay. So yeah, we got in right at sunset, and sunset is at like 8:45, but there was not light till like 9-ish. So crazy. So funny. I always used to wonder, like, I used to watch my friends like stories, and I'll be like, she's saying goodnight, like, why is it so lighted outside? She's like, Mele, the sun goes down late. I'm like, okay, I did. I was like, I had a realization. I was like, last night, I was like, oh, yeah, for real. The light is like, the sun is up till late. So funny, in Utah, we went to sleep at like, we rode dirt bike all day, and we went to sleep at like 8 o'clock, I think. It was super light outside. So yes. So, hi Lauren. Hi Lauren. So, we're gonna let this boil, and then we're gonna let them simmer a little while, actually. And then I have I got this for breakfast for them. We got the rice, the medium grain rice. Good morning, T. I travel with Ziplocs in Airbnb, because then if I have to pack the food, I just pack it in a Ziploc. And yeah. Okay. You can ask me anything, or let me see what else I can share with you. Oh, there was a mean like wind storm, like driving up from Utah. It's crazy. When's race day? Oh, race day is Friday. Race day is Friday, Saturday, 2 days. And then yeah. Cabello, race day is Friday, Saturday, yeah? Yeah. Friday, Saturday. I want you to make your spaghetti. Oh. I haven't made spaghetti in forever. Wow. Which spaghetti does sound good though. Live. Maybe if there's service, because I know we ride like a ski lift. The spectator point for us, we ride a ski lift up to the spectator point, and if there's service, I definitely will. But I think there may be media coverage like Cabello's first race in January out in California. Remember, had all that, the drones and whatnot. I think they're coming again. I'm pretty sure I saw that the media team is here. Yeah, so it's kind of cool. Today I'm gonna cook. I'm just cooking because I'm just getting things out of the way, just in case we go out Holo today, which we are, because Cabello's gonna go ride with some pros on some pros on their property. Actually, they own property up here with a bunch of pro riders, so I'm happy for him. And then I think I'm gonna take Kaino out to Coeur d'Alene and go electric biking around the national park. and see. It's cold and I forgot my jacket. And so I have to go buy a jacket. I'm such a dingy. I got here and I was like, I forgot my jacket. Of all things. Yeah. I like to travel to warm places versus cold, but I had no choice. The little race is here. If it's gonna be aired, I want to show it now. Oh, okay. I will. I'll let you know. It's probably, if you guys have YouTube, it's gonna be on YouTube. But I'll let you know. I'll find out actually tomorrow. We go there, and I think, what is tomorrow? Yeah, we have check-in tomorrow. So, Lynn, I am in Idaho. It's so pretty here. It's so pretty. Montana was very pretty too. We drove through. It's like, it's so funny when I was driving through. If you were watching my stories, one of my friends was like, oh my god, I want to go there so bad. And I'm like, oh man, it's so pretty. They're like yellow. I was like, what makes you want to come here? They're like Yellowstone. I was like, oh yeah, I forgot. Yellowstone. It's filmed there. Dad, come here. Look at my hubby. He's so handsome. You should tell somebody. Look. Little small Filipino girl. I wish this Airbnb had a instant pot, because an instant pot, all I would do was throw everything inside. Like, just throw the meat, the whatever vegetables you can use. Like, I only put not carrots. I only put tomato in mine because my family don't like celery or carrots, and I don't either. So I just put potatoes in my beef stew, and usually fresh tomatoes. But whatchamacall? Let's see. You're gonna say best. Love you. Love you. You're welcome. And then so what was I saying? I forgot. Oh yeah. So if I had an instant pot, I put the meat. I put the I use chicken bouillon, water, and whatever veggies you're gonna put, and then tomato paste. Use paste, and then fill up the water to like not over the meat, but like maybe that much below the meat, because when it cooks in the instant pot, it like shrinks, yeah. And so if you're cooking in the instant pot, initially put the water over the meat, it's gonna be too much water. But make sure you just like put everything inside, taste your soup, make sure you taste. If there's taste, it's gonna come out great. And then just cover it, put meat stew for 30 minutes. Done. You don't have to brown anything. Like, instant pot is so easy. So easy. So, let me see. Hi, Shannon. Oh, Coeur d'Alene. You've been Coeur d'Alene. That's where I want to go today, Lynn. Before our daughter went to Boise. Oh, I want to go to Coeur d'Alene. I know there's a couple national parks over there. So I'm excited. I want to go to Coeur d'Alene. Christine, hi. When I travel, I always think of Christine. Christine loves to travel, and I love her. She's so amazing and beautiful, and when she travels, she just embraces everything, and that's my kind of people. Like, I walked outside the door today, and I was like, I gotta show you real quick. Look. The peonies, look at that. They're everywhere. You would so love them, and they smell so good. Isn't that so cool? They're so cool. Yeah. And so, yeah, I think of Christine. Love you. It is, right? Wait, like, oh, I have chicken skin. Like, they are so huge. It's like this big. They bloom this big. And they smell so good. Like, it's so beautiful. I love it. I don't know, this might sound woo, but every time I see like I just so grateful because like, wow, this is all made for us, like to enjoy and to smell and touch and like, there's so much different things. We're driving through Utah. I'm like, oh my God, the dinosaurs used to walk through here. The mountains are so huge. Like you see like the fossil, you see the petroglyphs. It's like, wow. I saw them before, but it always amazes me. Everywhere we go, it just amazes me. Like, I love to learn like the different cultures or like what people eat all around the world. To learn what people around the world, how they live. And you know, I've traveled. I mean, I'm not saying that I traveled all around the world. I did travel internationally, etc. Here. But I'm so grateful because I learn, all in all, there's so many beautiful things all around the world, but what I've learned is people are all the same all around the world. We just speak differently. We all feel love, cry, all that stuff, you know, get sad, whatever. We all have our different things, but all in all, we're like all the same in a sense. And so, and when you show kindness, like they're people everywhere that I've met are so nice. And like, even when I went to the gym this morning, like so helpful, all the people there, like I just smile and say hi every time to everybody. They're like, oh my gosh, hi, you're not from here. I'm like, no, I'm not. And so like they give you like where to go, what to see, and like it's pretty cool. But hi Devlin. So let me see. What else can I share with you? Montana. It's just open fields all over the place, like, and a lot of grass. Like in Utah, there's a lot of sagebrushes everywhere, but when you get hit to Utah, a lot of bluegrass. Like in Idaho, a lot of grass. Like not so much sage everywhere. But Montana is so open, like vast open fields. But yeah, that's about it. So I don't know what else, but this is gonna boil for a little bit. I don't know if you can see my beef stew. My beef stew I'm making, and so I'm just gonna let that boil. And once like the meat gets soft, once the meat gets soft, then I'll put the what is that? Oh my gosh, tomato paste. The tomato paste in there, and then taste the soup. I normally put rosemary too, like a little bit of rosemary in there, but I don't have any here. So, but man, would you guys like to come out with me and check out the yard? It's pretty cool. Yes? No? While this thing is boiling, because it's good. Yes? Okay, let's go. I'll show you. Okay. Let me see. I'll make sure this. Okay, let's go. I heard there's a creek out in back, so let's see. Napkins? Oh. Put it right on top. Okay. Let's go look. So there's roses. All these peonies. Oh my goodness. Look. They're gigantic. They're so beautiful. And there's our backyard. Let's see. So funny. Yeah, so pretty. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but I use this app, and I just take a picture of it, and it whatchamacall, tells me exactly what it is. These flowers. And look, a lot of those Christmas trees everywhere. They're everywhere. I don't know, but this one looks frosted. Like, oh God. I hope there's no animals around here. So look at this. I hear a creek back here. In Idaho, when we went riding, we saw snakes out there. There is a creek out here. Maybe I'm gonna jump the fence. Wait. Oh, my shoes are wet. Oh! We must like... Oh look, there's more peonies over there. Look at that. Let's go look. It's so cool. We have... Oh, the grass is high. They gotta call their landscapers. Look at these peonies. Oh my gosh. They're so... Look. I wish you guys could smell this. It's... Look at these. So pretty. Yeah, I'll go to the water. There. We have a thing over there. We have to call their landscaper. Oh gosh. My shoes are wet. Oh, here. Oh, look. There's a dam. Oh, it's so clear. Look at that. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go look on this side. Oh, I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's cold. The water's cold. The water is super clear. Christine, you would love this. Oh. It runs all the way down there. But driving up from hitting the Montana to Idaho, that border right there, there's a river, I think. Watch out for snakes. Shut up. Don't scare me like that. Whatchamacall? There's a river that follows the road all the way. Okay, wait. I need to go out. Don't scare me, Vanessa. I don't like snakes. But here, the water must be super cold. You could probably cold plunge. But yeah. There's a creek. Let's go see. Let's see what else is over here. Oh, here. We have a fire pit. Oh. I'm gonna look for a crayfish. No more crayfish. If I had crayfish, I'll probably be catching it. That's so cool. Wait, there's a road over here. This is our backyard. at our Airbnb. Oh, there's a gate. I'm glad I took you guys because okay. Look at bridge. Bridge over troubled water. It's so clear. Look at that. Oh, he's screaming for nothing. It's so pretty. But yes, you're so welcome. When I get to Coeur d'Alene, if there's service, I'll take you guys on a trip. Or if not, go in my stories. I have some stuff there from yesterday. Like if you wanna, never been through Montana, Idaho, has a little thing. Oh, the water's on. But this is our backyard. Wait, where's the peony? There. But thank you for watching. Oh wait, I want to show you guys this one. This one's too. There's like these Christmas trees all over the place. These things. Like this. So pretty. There's a different one. See, oh look at this one. This one makes me happy. All of them do, but this yellow one, so gorgeous. But they're working on that. You're so welcome. Thank you for joining. So I hope you got a little bit of value today. I could share with you a little bit. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted. If not, go in my stories. I'll stay connected with you there. And thank you all for watching. Love, appreciate you. And have a great rest of your, what's today? Tuesday? Okay. Aloha.